just got back from the garden center and I'm going to do a quick haul for you guys. First, this was my free gift for getting there early. I got a cute little pansy, this cute pink little flower. It is called Bellis. I'm going to guess. I've never heard of this flower. I don't even recall ever seeing this flower. I think it might have said English daisy near it, and I thought that's what I got, but it doesn't say that on here, so I don't know. I really don't know. It's pretty, and it was only $4, and apparently it blooms like now, which is what I want because I don't have anything blooming right now. I have a couple tulips coming up, but it says it's supposed to bloom late winter to summer, and it's a perennial, so I'm gonna pop it in the ground once the weather gets a little nicer and see what happens next year too, I guess. I got some houseplant fertilizer for my houseplant, some rooting hormone powder so I can propagate plants this year. I mean, I did propagate a couple last year, but I've heard that this makes it like so much easier. So I'm planning on propagating a couple boxwoods, more hydrangeas. Yeah, I got some garden gloves. I feel like I need a new pair of garden gloves every year because every year by about the middle of the season, my garden gloves are just trashed. And next we will get onto the seeds. I'm going to warn you, there are a lot of seeds. I'm going to show you the seeds I got today, and then I'm going to show you the seeds that I've got the last time I went there back in like December, because I never did a haul on that. So the seeds I got today, I got corn, peaches and cream hybrid. I think this is the only hybrid corn I got. I didn't see any heirloom corn. Thyme. It's called Wintertime. And like I said, the rest of these will all be heirlooms, I believe. Some cilantro, Blue Boy Bachelor Button, Brocade, Marigold, Psyche Cosmos, and Bloomsdale Longstanding Spinach. So that's what I got today with my $10 off $30 coupon. I ended up spending $22 and some change. So I think that's quite a bit for like 20 bucks. And then really quickly, I'll show you the seeds I got last time back in December. There are still a couple, well, not seeds. I'm gonna have to get starts probably of the rest of these things. I'm still gonna have to get starts of onion, garlic, and potatoes, but between these seeds here and those, I've got pretty much everything I'd want for this year at least. So I got a California Wonder sweet pepper, banana pepper, the Scarlet Nantes carrot, top crop green bean, New England sugar pie pumpkin, flat leaf parsley, green tomatillos, black creme tomato, Marglobe tomato, red Russian kale, poblano peppers, and serrano peppers. So that is what I'm starting out this year for my garden. It's going to be my first time gardening vegetables, first time trying to start things from seeds. I've spent a lot of money on seeds, so I hope I don't fuck this up. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this haul. I'll keep you updated throughout the growing season, let you know kind of what I'm doing. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.